Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade, so how to mod your Casio F91W and transform it into a smart watch. Today we have the Ollee watch mainboard that we are going to actually install within the F91W in order to have a bunch of features that you would normally get in a smartwatch. I actually reached out to Ollee Watch, which is going to be a Canadian company, in order to have two of these sent to us in order to test them out and then to also post some tutorials and reviews on our YouTube channel. So without any further ado guys, I'm going to show you how to do that. In order to do this, I'm going to use three basic tools. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, then I'm going to use a metallic pair of tweezers in order to open the clips on the back of the watch, and then also a non-metallic pair of tweezers, in my case a carbon one, in order to maneuver the watch battery in case you have a brand new Casio F91W, so that you keep all the energy within your watch. In case you are just starting out, make sure to grab one of these. This is going to be the basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to both the watch tools and the Ollee watch kit in order for you to go and grab both of these and start upgrading your Casio F91W into a smartwatch. So what we are going to do is to install a new mainboard within the Casio F91W in order to have a bunch of extra features that you would normally get in a smartwatch. For example, you are also going to have a few games, a chronograph, a timer, a step counter, flashlight. You can also read the temperature and also the heart rate. So a bunch of extra features that you would normally not have within the Casio F91W. So I'm going to open it up. And here inside we are going to have, I believe, the main plate. Then we are also going to have the NFC in case you want to install it within your watch. I believe that this is going to be a sticker. And then you can also scan right here in order to follow all the steps in order to upgrade your watch and everything that you need to do. But in case you are new to the channel and in case you just bought the kit, you can actually watch this tutorial until the end because I'm going to show you how to install it. So here I have the main board that I'm going to install within the watch, and as I mentioned, the NFC right here. When it comes to the tools, you are going to need a Phillips screwdriver and then a metallic pair of tweezers in order to open the watch up, and then a non-metallic pair of tweezers in case you want to maneuver the watch battery with a non-metallic pair of tweezers so that you do not drain the energy from your watch. So what we are going to do is to turn the watch around, and then I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver in order to remove all four screws. Now in case this is the first time that you open your watch up, or if you have never done anything like this before, I would definitely recommend to take some pictures and also take all the steps one by one so that you do not miss anything. So what we are going to do is to position all the bits and pieces that we are going to remove from the watch right here on the left side, and I'm going to put them in the exact same position that I found them inside the watch. So when I remove the back of the watch, I'm going to position just the way it was, the gasket, the movement, and so on. So I'm going to take the four screws, the fourth one already fell right here. Then I'm going to take the back of the watch and I'm going to position it right here as it was initially. As you can see, I have the buckle right here at 12 o'clock. And what you also need to do is to remove the gasket. So this is going to be the rubber O-ring that we have right here. As you can see, it is not fully round. So I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to position it the exact same way that it was inside the watch. Now I'm going to remove the movement from within the watch, and as you can see, we have the movement in our hands. So here is the display, and the first thing that we need to do is to remove this metallic part right here. So in order to have access to the movement and the battery, we need to open these 4 retention clips. So I'm going to use the metallic pair of tweezers, go underneath and open one of them at a time. As you can see, the first one, the second one. You can even use only 2 in order to move the metallic part a little. And then I'm going to open the retention clips on the other side as well. Good. So once again, make sure to take some pictures and remember the exact way that the metallic part was positioned initially. So I'm going to put it right here. And now we have access to the watch battery. And in case you have a brand new watch battery, make sure to maneuver it with a non-metallic pair of tweezers, as you can see right here. In case you want to also replace the watch battery, you can maneuver the old watch battery with the metallic pair of tweezers, but the new watch battery with a non-metallic pair of tweezers. In case you also want to use the NFC sticker, there are going to be 2 different positions, 2 different places where you can actually install this. So I'm going to make a separate video about it. Now, I have seen one video where you are going to install it right here inside the case, so that you have better access, so the phone can actually read it easier. And the second option is going to be to install it inside the movement, but that is going to be a little bit further away, so it is going to be harder to read. Now I'm going to leave this right there. Now I'm going to take this main board from the Casio watch. You can remove it either with your hand or with the pair of tweezers. As you can see, we have this white part right here. So this white piece right here is going to be our light diffuser, and we can actually also remove the digital display, the diffuser, and also the conductive strip right here in order to install the NFC. Now I'm going to first do it without the NFC, but in case you also want to do that, as I mentioned, I'm going to leave a separate link to that video in case you want to upgrade it with the NFC as well. Now, when it comes to the main board of the Casio F91W, we also need to remove this metallic clip right here that is going to make the connection with the battery. So what we want to do is to remove it from one end, just like that, and then remove it from the other side as well, just like that. You can also try to push it from the front side where we have these 2 holes in order to make it easier. Now I'm going to take the main board from the Ollee watch, and we have to clip it in right here. It is going to be very easy since you are going to have the holes in the exact same position where they need to be, so you do not need to figure it out, just like that. And now I'm going to take this and put it right here. So we are going to actually use this metallic part from the Casio F91W mainboard to the Ollee watch. So I'm going to first clip it inside one of these holes, just like that, and then inside the second one. And as you can see, it went inside very easily. Now the next step is going to be to put the watch battery right here. So I'm going to take the watch battery, in my case the same watch battery, but in your case it might be the new watch battery. Now we need to put back the retention clips into their housing. So I'm going to position this part the same way it was initially. You can press it down and you can actually feel or hear those clicks as the clips are going to click in. Now before putting back the movement, we are going to push the buttons outwards in order for the movement to have enough space and also to have the good contact. So what I normally do when I replace batteries or use these movements, as you can see here, I have 2 buttons. So I'm going to first push against these 2 buttons, just like that. and then I'm going to push inwards the part right here where I only have one button. And now we are going to put back the gasket in the exact same way that it was initially. So that is why I have now my buckle at 12 o'clock, and then I'm going to gently push in the gasket, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Once again, if you're doing this for the first time, I would definitely recommend to take some pictures along the way. As you can see, the gasket is fully inside, and also you can look from the side to make sure that the watch movement is perfectly aligned. Now we are going to take the back of the watch. You can also look at the writing, so to have Casio written the exact same way that you would find on the front of the watch. But since I made sure in the beginning to position it perfectly, that is why I do not need to worry about this. Then I'm going to put in the first screw and try to tighten it a little. And now the opposite one, so on the exact opposite side. Now I'm also going to have a look at the front of the watch and make sure once again that everything is working fine. So all the functions, the beeping, and also the display, make sure that everything is working fine. And now, since everything is working fine, I'm going to also install, so take the last two screws and put them in. So guys, that is how you actually install the Ollee watch mainboard. I'm also going to test a little bit the NFC because I am not completely sure in which position we need to install it so that my phone is going to actually read it. But now we can have a look at the functions that we have. So we have the world time function, we have the alarm, the stopwatch, then we also have the step counter, I believe. And as you can see, it is going to count. Then the heart rate with the beats per minute, I believe, temperature, and a bunch of other features that I'm going to make a complete separate video about everything. You can see that already the click is going to be different, and we also have the option of upgrading the light. So I'm going to make another video with all the functions of the Ollee watch board. Once again, guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this board and also to the tools in order for you to be able to upgrade your F91W. Link in the description box below. So guys, this is how you can actually mod, so to upgrade and transform your Casio F91W into a smartwatch. I hope you enjoyed. I'm also going to link the video with all the functions and features so that you know what to expect, and maybe another follow-up video also, as I mentioned, with the NFC and where to install it. So guys, in case you enjoyed this video, in case you want to watch even more videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Also, make sure to leave a comment. Let me know if you order your Ollee watch board, if you upgrade it, if you are enjoying your new, let's say, or modern F91W. And also guys, if you'd like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.